Welcome to your account. We are so excited that you've chosen to work with us and use us to support your business. Without further ado, you will probably land inside the Launchpad whenever you sign into your account. This has a couple of key steps that you can utilize in order to get started with the first steps that we recommend. These may include clicking and downloading the app, in which you can click on the send link button, input your phone number details, and it'll send you a quick link to be able to download it for the iOS or Android platforms. Next, you can click on Connect and sign up and connect your Google My Business profile if you have that for your business. Next, you can connect the Facebook account where you can manage your conversations as well as sync the Facebook leads with the CRM. Next, you can add a chat widget using a code or by building and using the website builder inside of your account and use the chat widget to collect inbound leads. Next, if you're using a Stripe account and you're doing any sort of payments within the CRM, go ahead and click on Connect and you can either create or add your pre-existing Stripe account. Last but not least, you can go in and add any team members that you would need to have access to this account. Let's jump over to the dashboard. The dashboard is an important and powerful tool to be able to manage the overview of your account. In this demo account, you're not going to see any data that's represented or additional stakeholders and decision makers. This is a powerful tool that we highly recommend you utilizing it. Make sure that you know that you can add additional dashboards to your account to customize the data that is displayed. Next, let's look at the conversation section. The conversation section is where you will manage all inbound and outbound communications. Note that your CRM has the ability to manage multiple conversation sources such as email, text, and several other social media platforms, including Google My Business. You have the ability to manage the unread, recent, starred, all, as well as go in and filter each of the different communication channels. Inside the Conversations tab on the left-hand side, you will also see that you have additional tabs that show up at the top. These may include manual actions that you or your team may need to take that are assigned to each individual user, templates for email or text, as well as trigger links and the ability to analyze these. Trigger links are a powerful tool to be able to analyze when and who clicks particular links and can be used in several parts of this platform, as well as in external applications. Let's look at calendars. The calendars is an extremely powerful tool if you need any sort of appointment booking, service booking. You can sync it to an iCloud, an Outlook, or a Google Calendar, as well as build multiple calendars for you and your users. To build new calendars, you will go into the calendar settings section. You also have the ability to click on appointments and look at a list view of all appointments based on different filter types that you can choose in the upper right-hand corner. You also have the ability to go and assign and create a new appointment in the upper right-hand corner. Let's jump over to contacts. The contacts section is a powerful and probably one of the most powerful tools that you have available in your arsenal. This is where you can manage and create what's called smart lists, where you can organize individuals based on certain criteria. That criteria can be chosen by using the More Filters section and choosing the additional filters that you would like to organize individuals by. As you can see, there is a wide array of abilities that you have to be able to sort individuals by. At the top of the contact section, you also have bulk actions where you can see past and future actions that have been taken in your account. You can restore past actions that were taken. You can assign and organize as well as view tasks. You can see individual companies that may be sorted in your contacts CRM, and you can manage the smart list that you have created. Note that smart list can be shared as a global, where all of your team can see it, or just you. There are additional settings that can be viewed from this page. Opportunities section next. This is arguably the second most powerful tool in your arsenal. Opportunities allows you to create and add new opportunities by clicking on the Add Opportunity section in the upper right-hand corner, selecting a primary contact that is assigned to that opportunity, naming the opportunities, and creating and editing this entire section using custom fields. Additional opportunity details can be assigned on the left-hand side, and this will allow you to assign steps that this opportunity need to go through in order to organize it into a particular set of filters. This will help you organize and understand the flow of sales within your business. Note that you have the ability to display the results of your opportunity section in the dashboard that we previously viewed. Additional things to know is that you can filter by many options similar to the contact section inside the opportunity section. Additional pipelines can be created and bulk actions can be taken. Next, let's look at the payment section. The payment section is again a powerful tool that, depending on your business use case, you may or may not need to use. First section, you'll be able to see our invoices, of which you can have recurring as well as create templates to build additional invoices from. Documents and contracts can be created from within here. You can organize and visualize all of your orders that individual users have taken, as well as abandoned checkout. You can manage subscriptions, send payment links, organize past and future transactions, organize and add products, as well as organize into collections, which is similar to folders, create and manage your coupons, and of course, make sure your settings are set up correctly and you have the proper integrations set up. This is where you can connect your Stripe as well as additional payment accounts. The next section is the marketing section. You may see a social planner in which you can create social media posts by clicking on the new post section and choosing one of these options on the post that you would like to share. You can create and add many social media accounts inside the social planner. Following that, you'll see the email section, of which you can create templates and then create and send campaigns, as well as visualize the statistics of the email campaigns that you have sent. You also have the ability to access your templates for email and text from within the marketing section, send and manage trigger links, and use a powerful feature called the Affiliate Manager. The Affiliate Manager allows you to create campaigns and assign affiliates under those campaigns, manage, whether they're manual or automatic, payouts to those affiliates, add media to specific folders that your affiliates can use to market your products and your services. And of course, set the proper settings up that you need to create an affiliate manager campaign. Next, let's look at automations. The automations section allows you to pull together most of your CRM account into actionable steps. These workflows give you pre-built recipes as well as a blank slate to be able to customize and create it to your specific needs. Content AI may be available underneath your account, in which you can manage and visualize the costs, the number of AI generated contents created underneath text or image. The next section is sites. Sites may allow you to be able to see funnels, which are single intent pages that are very similar to websites. Websites where you can manage an entire website for your business. Stores where you can create your online store and showcase your products. Analytics where you can visualize the results of your websites, funnels, and stores. Blogs where you can create multiple different blogs that can be visualized on your funnels or websites. You may or may not have the ability to utilize WordPress. You may or may not have a client portal in which you can organize multiple courses, communities, and affiliate payouts. The form builder, which is a powerful tool, gives you unlimited forms and may or may not need coding depending on your use case, where you can gather and collect unlimited amounts of information about your leads. Surveys are very similar, but introduce steps in the questionnaire and conditional logic. You have the ability to customize and build your chat widget, as well as create any URL redirects that you may need for your account. There are additional settings that are available here underneath sites. Next, let's look at the membership section. Memberships allow you to create powerful courses. You can train and introduce your clientele to the particular services and information that you offer. Here you can see the total number of opt-ins, members, sales, and checkouts made in the past 30 days. You can then organize your products and courses, create offers for those, see the analytics and settings, as well as build tests and quizzes for the products and courses that you offer. Next, you may or may not see communities in which you can organize your groups into collaboration and interactive groups to be able to utilize community activities. Next, you have certificates that you may be able to certify and issue to individuals that have met certain criteria. Next, you have your media storage. This ties together most of the tools in your account in which all information, images, videos, files can be pooled together in a single platform. You also have the ability to create images and content using AI. Next is your reputation page. The reputation page allows you to do an overview of your Google Business Profile as well as your Facebook, reviews, average ratings, recent reviews, and the powerful tool of sending review requests. When you click on Send a Review Request, you have the ability to send a text or an email, or both, to individuals to request a review for your business. This allows you to better serve your clientele over time by getting in front of more and more people with a high quality rating. You can then manage your requests, see your reviews, and build a powerful widget in which you can share your customer testimonials online. Next, you can organize your listings for some accounts. And last but not least, settings for the reputation tool. Next, we have the reporting tab. Inside the reporting tab, you may see Google Ads, a Facebook Ads report, an attribution report in which you can see the revenue closed, opportunities won, the total leads that you have. You can then see a call report for incoming as well as outgoing calls, and an overall appointment report.